welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing something very interesting. As we all know, Windows 11 was released on October the 5th. I have an ISO on my external hard disk and we're going to attempt to install it in VirtualBox. However, there's a slight issue. It doesn't have TPM within VirtualBox, and as we all know, most likely you need TPM to be able to run Windows 11. So I'm just quickly finding my 11 ISO, and I'll show you what happens if we try on VirtualBox where we have no TPM, and you'll see what I mean. So let's just give Windows a shot. Now, before I get into it, I want to quickly say this is no tutorial. This is just a bit of fun, a bit, why not? This is no tutorial whatsoever, just a bit of fun. So we're booting into the ISO. It looks promising so far. We've got the Windows flag, and we should get the spinning dot animation in a second. I also want to say this is the official ISO from Microsoft. I made it using the MCT. This is not the beta build or the leaked build. Okay, so we're in the installer. We're going to click next. They haven't fixed the Windows logo bug yet, but that's fine. There's a little bit like, it's a new release of Windows and they haven't sorted something silly as that out, but Okay, so we're at the activate Windows thing. I don't have a product key because I don't have one, as I don't think they exist yet. And we're going to install Home for this video, but you'll see what happens when we attempt it. This PC can't run Windows 11. Yep, the infamous Windows 11 error message. But I found a guide on the internet which allows you to bypass this. So I'll leave a link to the guide in the description. And it has like some registry tweaks and things. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow this. So it says Shift F10, so we're going to open Command Prompt. Okay. Alright, we're going to register it. Okay, so we want to make a new D word. Okay, so we want to make 3 D word values. So, and we should have bypass. Oh, it's meant to be in lab config. Oh, okay. So I did that all wrong. Close it. Close it. Go back. Go forward. Damn it! No! Didn't work. Does it have to be on EFI maybe? Okay. Let's do it again, but we're gonna set to EFI mode and see if that works. Or shall we quit and then we'll go back through the steps? That might fix it. And if it doesn't work, we'll set it to EFI. Okay, so we're gonna go to System, Enable EFI, see if that does it, I suppose. Alright, this might work. This might do it. This might do it. Oh. Any key? Yeah, okay, we've got a VirtualBox. It's booting from EFI now, so this might actually work. Alright, so this, same steps. We'll try without the registry hack, and if that doesn't work, we'll try with the registry hack. Ready for attempt 3 without the registry tweak. Nope, okay. We're gonna go back. We're gonna click on Shift F10. Now it's close. Attempt number 4, I think this is on. I can't remember. Nah. Okay. So that method isn't working. Now, I think there is a way you can do this with DISM. So I'm gonna look that up. So let's bypass TPM. I am back, and we're gonna try it in VMware. I'm sorry, a little misconvenience there, but you will never know that happened because I cut all of it out. Anyway, so we have our Windows 11 VM in VMware here. We're gonna see if it works fine on this. Well, moment of truth, I guess. Right, any key. Oh my god! We got past it! No way! It worked. It worked. So VirtualBox was the issue. Because it's working in VMware with the patch in place. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, guys, we did it. Woo! I'm happy. Is it going to be slow because it's in VMware? Yes. Is it going to work? Hopefully.